Hello traders, and thanks for tuning in for another Trade of the Week by Exness. My name is Stanislav Bernakov, Senior Trading Content Specialist here at Exness. And in today's video we are going to be checking on a possible trading idea for the week ahead, the narratives behind it, and which economic data could potentially affect this trade. But first let's see how the previous idea performed. That was a long position for platinum with a target area at around 26.65. The idea was fully correct, with the target being achieved several days after the publication, and the price proceeds moving even further. That means that in total, starting from the beginning of 2025, we've brought 47 ideas, with 36 of them being successful. That means roughly 77% of hit rate for published ideas. For this week we are monitoring for the Nasdaq index. The price is testing the upper border of the consolidation area, which is located right at the upper band of the Bollinger Bands, with a parameter of 20 on a daily chart, and may be developing the upswing soon. If the positive sentiment prevails, we might observe Nasdaq to break to the level of 26,300, a previous all-time high. The tech sector has been underperforming so far starting from the beginning of the year, as investors worry about inflated valuations of AI-related stocks. Tech stocks have taken a hit after a threat about tariffs between the US and Europe over Greenland. But this rhetoric has been softened thereafter, which means that the sentiment for Nasdaq improves. The level of fear, according to the Fear and Greed Index from CNN, is considered as neutral, and the market breadth, which is important, is growing. This is a sign of a healthy market, as more stocks are displaying growth. So if the price triggers the 26,000 area, that might open a path to further extension to 26,300 or higher. This week is a Fed's week, and Jerome Powell will hold a press conference after the interest rate decision on Wednesday. While the decision probably won't deliver much surprise, traders might get the idea about further actions of the Fed. For now, the obvious reaction would be to see the escalation of the decline for the US dollar and the support for stock indices. Yields of 30-year bonds confirm this point of view, pointing to lowering yields. The Fed's balance sheet is showing signs of growth, and that's exactly what traders would want to hear from Jerome Powell. Whether or not the Fed will continue supporting the bond market, buying back T-bills and pressuring the real interest rate. If the answer is yes, that means the immediate support for stocks and metals. So in summary then, the idea for the upcoming week is a long position for Nasdaq if it breaks the 26,000 area. The possible target for this move is around 26,300 or higher, which is the all-time high. The price is testing the upper border of the trading range and may develop the upward momentum soon, especially if the rhetoric of Fed's Governor Jerome Powell will pressure the interest rates down. Remember, this is not a signal, it's just the idea for a trade, it's not a guarantee of success, and always do your own research and never forget to manage your risk.